Hi, I'm Gabriel Hobeka, and this is my 15.1.12 term project. What I made was a location-based chat client that connects people who live near one another. So, there are two options in the chat client. We have local chat, which allows you to enter into a chat room type setting with people 1 kilometer away from you, and local threads, which allow you to see bulletins and threads posted about your zip code. So, for this to work, first we'll simulate two users, user 1 and user 2, and let's say they both live at 1030 Morewood Avenue. Now, they can both enter into local chats with one another and say hi. And now they can basically chat as if they were in an instant messaging client. Interestingly though, we can also post threads about our zip code. So, let's say user 1 is having a party. It will display who said it, where they're saying it from, and what they're saying. So, user 1, who lives at 1030 Morewood Avenue, is saying, I'm having a party. And user 2 can now instantly see that, as the threads are actually stored on the server and then sent back to the clients via zip code. Now, perhaps there's two more users that join, and they are not so close to the other two users. So we have user 3 and user 4, and they live in Palo Alto Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So as you can see, it now geocoded Palo Alto Street here. And user 3 and user 4 can now enter into a local chat with one another as well. And as you can see, user 1 and user 2 don't see that local chat as they're not very close to user 3 and user 4. User 3 and user 4 also have different zip codes than user 1 and user 3, and therefore cannot see the local threads. However, user 3 and user 4 can also still post local threads to one another. And there you have it. So basically, the structure that created this was that I have client and server communications, and they're able to send data tagged with different letters at the beginning of the data, such as G for geolocation, and they're able to then parse that data and get the information that they want. The server handles all of the geocoding as well as all the formulas to calculate distance, and basically the client is just sending and receiving messages and drawing the application. Also, I made the client very moddable by setting all of these different screens, such as the first entry screen or the local thread screens, as objects. And so those objects can be easily changed to deal with different types of inputs and still be able to create a full robust client. So that is my term project. It is a very easily moddable local chat client and local bulletin poster. And thank you for viewing this video.